Okay, I'll move on to the placing sheep class. One that we thought was pretty sortable. I mean, it is kind of hard to look through the wool, but once you really begin to study them, it does become pretty sortable. We kind of find a top pair, bigger body, more productive ewes. We go ahead and start with 2, just in terms of her length, extension, look from the side. She's extremely square out of her hip. She's sound and functional on the move. We like her quite a bit. Then we go ahead and tie into the 3 sheep, one that kind of just follows our class winner in terms of that added capacity to her center portion. But when you truly study her from behind, she becomes a little shorter, rounder out of her hip, and she wants to kind of get a little closer to her hocks and narrower at the ground. So she falls in second for me. We do a 2-point cut on top. Then we go cut your core in the middle. We didn't think you could cross the middle pair. And we go ahead and use the 4 sheep. Now she's a little lower performing, lighter dimension ewe, but in terms of structural quality, she is one of the better ones in the class. In terms of natural width, when you get in behind her, she bases quite a bit wider than the 1 sheep, and she gets out and goes. She's better built out of her hip, gets out and goes, uses all 4 more correctly. We can appreciate the 1 sheep in terms of her performance. She's a big-footed kind of a ewe who's got some added body shape. But when you truly study this one, she's not near as genuine in terms of her structural quality, and she gets quite a bit narrower in her pins, narrower at the ground, and more in at her knee when you look at her from up front. So we go ahead and go 2, 3, 4, 1 with cuts of 2, 4, and 1. Thank you.